How to use the value function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to explain how you can use the value function in Excel. I'm going to talk about why you need the value function. I'm going to talk about the parameters, and I'm going to show you an excellent alternative of value function. Let's get started. Now, the best way to learn a function is to apply it, but in the case of value function, we need to understand before that why we should use the value function. Here, in column A, we have 5 feet and 9 inch with feet and inch symbol, and we have extracted that with the left and find function. For your understanding, there are a lot of functions that are called text function, and they are listed in the formula. And here, if I click here in this drop down, you can see these are the text function. Like here we have left, len, lower, a lot of function. If you extract a number using this text function, the output will be in the text format. Okay. Here, if you take a look at this cell closely, the number started from the left of my column. But if we write a number here, let's write here 25 and press enter, and you can see the actual number starts from the right of our cell. Okay, so that means these cells are formatted as text. Because we used left function to extract number from here, these numbers are formatted as text. Same is here. And also, if I add double quotation to any number, it will be formatted as text. Here you can see I had 2500 within double quotation, and we have our number at the left of our cell, which indicates is formatted as text. Another way to understand if your number is in text format is to use it in any formula. Let's use it inside the sum function. And if I drag this, our result is 0. But these, we can see these are numbers. Okay. Now this is the point when you need the value function. When you have numbers formatted as text, you cannot use them in all functions. Some of them won't work, like our sum function here. But if you want to convert them in value, this is where the value function comes. Okay. Now let's apply the formula or apply the function. Let's remove this here. And I'm going to write here equal to value. And the first is the value function. And it says convert a text string that represents a number to a number. Okay. So a text string like this that represents number. These are number to an actual number. Okay. So I'm going to double click here. There is only one parameter, which is text. So our number in text. So if I click here and close parenthesis, this is the value formula. If I press enter, we have just taken the number from this cell, and you can see the number is now at the right of our cell. Okay. Now if I drag it, we get our numbers, and these numbers are formatted as numbers. Okay. Now we can use the value function with other function, like here we are extracting from this text. So if I enclosed it with the value function, double click here and close parenthesis, because all these in between are in text format and this is what we want to convert. If I press enter, you can see now the number is at the right of our cell, and here in the sum function it started working. So the more I add it, the more it will work. So if I double click here, you can see now our sum function is working because we have converted this to value using the value function. Okay. Now I have told you I have another alternative for this. So here in cell D3, if we add value before this and if we add a close parenthesis here, this should be converted to number. But if after the equal sign I write minus twice and just press enter, it does the same thing. So you can see our formula started with minus sign and we have added double minus sign. And if I double click here, you can see it does the same thing as the value function. So either use the value function or use double minus sign before your calculation, it will work the same. So this is how you can use the value function in Excel. This is how you convert number formatted as text to a number formatting. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.